In this video we're going to be looking at how to combine more than one pattern together. In order to do this, the first thing I need to do is create myself a pattern. So I've already created myself a blank image. I'm going to go to Filters, Render, and rather go to Fractal Explorer, I'm going to go to Clouds and Plasma. I'm going to choose a fairly light turbulence. I'm going to click on New Seed until I get, yeah, I quite like that. And I click on OK. So that gives me a basic pattern. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to overlay a fractal on top of it. Now, in order to do this, you need to make sure you've got the Layers tool box open. If you haven't, if you've accidentally closed it like I've just done there, then if you go to Windows, recently closed Docs, and choose that, if it's still not there, you can go to Dockable Dialogues and choose Layers. So I'm going to go to Recently Closed Docs, Layers Channels and blah blah, and get it back. I then click on the new icon, create a new layer, and I just click on OK as well on the dialog that pops up. That creates me a blank layer. You can see now I've got two layers, the one with the plasma on and one that's got nothing on. Okay, that's brilliant. I make sure I've got the one that's got nothing on it selected, and then I go to Filters, Render, Fractal Explorer. I'm going to reset my fractal. I'll stick with the Julia set, and I will zoom in a bit of it. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this bit. Okay, that's quite cool. And I'm actually going to leave it black and white. Okay, you don't have to leave this black and white. I am, because what I'm going to do is combine the colours from the plasma with this fractal. So I'm going to click on OK, and that will render the thing. Now it looks like it's overwritten the plasma, but it actually hasn't. If I click on the little eye, you can see the plasma is still there. What I can do is I can combine them together. So click on the fractal, I go up to Mode, I select Mode, and I choose one of these options. You see, if I click on Screen, straight away it tries to combine them together. There's quite a number of options, lighting only, you can see that, and I can change how deep the effect is. I can burn, and again I can change the opacity, which will show how strong the effect is. And what this allows me to do is combine patterns together. You can do this more than once, so I can again click on a new layer, click on OK. I can then go to Filters, Render, Fractal Explorer, go Reset, I'll choose a different pattern, click on OK, that renders. I can then choose Overlay again, and you can see it combines them all together. And just using this little trick, you can get some very interesting patterns using algorithms.